The screen is bleeding. Sink the panic. Shut the silence. Plug in, power up. Burn down. Shit here. Binary murder lines, drones in the sky. Sign virtual bloodlines, but I'm holding a single track line. Silicon profit selling war in the feed. Zone in the fiber, the harvest breed. They're mining the data, refining the hate, while the AI architects can't find my unicycle state. Algorithm breathing like a lobe, the frame. Digits are just, but the players are the same. Flicker and fade, the ghost in the machine. One wheel cutting through the noise and scene. Up like the prophet, you're sick with the line. They're selling a six-station in a perfect design. Rise from the cash, burn the cold new ash. Synthetic soldiers, autonomous rage, but I'm dropping rocky lines off a mountain ridge. They're trading the ethics for a faster refresh, but you can run an airstrike on a nervous flesh. Hyperlinked horror, encrypted delay. Accept all cookies while the cities decay. We're upgrading weaponry, downgrading souls, but none of my shit keeps me in control. The satellite knows your name. The neural net knows your aim. They're tracking the heartbeat. They're mapping the fear, but they can't trace a line. I carved down a trail so clear.